What if you could buy Apple stock at 3 a.m. on a Sunday for exactly $1 and own it instantly on blockchain? That's not the future. That's happening right now. And in under 1 year, this market exploded from $32 million to nearly $1 billion. A 30-fold jump that most people completely missed. These are the 5 platforms leading that explosion right now. Number 5. BingX. BingX doesn't issue tokenized stocks. It trades them. And that distinction matters. When tokenized stock volume surged 450% during Q3 2025 earnings season on BingX, it proves something important. People aren't treating these like speculative crypto. They're using them as real equity exposure. BingX integrates directly with X Stocks infrastructure, giving its existing user base instant access to tokenized equities without switching platforms. For traders already comfortable on BingX, this is the easiest entry point into tokenized stocks. Number 4. Robinhood EU. Robinhood solved a problem 150,000 European investors had for decades. Access to U.S. stocks. Without U.S. market hours. Without U.S. brokers. On June 30th, 2025, Robinhood launched tokenized U.S. equities across 30 European countries using Arbitrum. Fractional trading starts at €1. Dividends distributed on-chain. Trading runs 24 hours, 7 days a week. By January 2026, they had tokenized nearly 2,000 U.S. stocks, more than any other platform on this list. But here's what makes Robinhood's future genuinely exciting. Bloomberg reported their next target is private company shares, OpenAI, SpaceX, pre-IPO equity for retail investors. If they pull that off, everything changes. Number 3. Kraken X Stocks. In December 2025, Kraken made one of the smartest acquisitions in crypto history. They bought Bakkt Finance, the platform controlling 93% of on-chain equity market share with over $3 billion in transaction volume and 57,000 holders. Here's why this matters. Bakkt built the best tokenized stock infrastructure on Solana. Kraken owns a global exchange with $40 billion in annual volume and 10 million users. Now they're the same company. Issuance plus distribution, infrastructure plus audience. No other platform combines both under one roof. Kraken X Stocks is now the most vertically integrated tokenized stock platform in existence. Number 2. Bakkt Finance. Before Kraken acquired them, Bakkt built something extraordinary independently. They launched X Stocks on Solana on June 30th, 2025. They chose Solana deliberately. 65,000 transactions per second. Fees under 1/10 of a cent. Perfect for retail traders making frequent small fractional trades. Ethereum's gas fees would have killed this use case. Bakkt understood that before anyone else. They integrated immediately with Jupiter and Radium, Solana's biggest DeFi platforms. No need to build their own audience. The infrastructure was already there. 93% market share in 6 months. That's what happens when you pick the right blockchain. Number 1. Ondo Finance. Over $500 million in total value locked. More than $7 billion in trading volume. And in December 2025, the SEC closed its investigation with zero enforcement action. That last point is everything. Ondo tokenizes stocks differently from everyone else. Once minted, their tokens move freely across wallets, used as DeFi collateral, traded on secondary markets, held in any wallet, without re-verification. In January 2026, they expanded to Solana with 200 tokenized equities. In February 2026, Chainlink price oracles went live on Ethereum. Now DeFi protocols can use Ondo tokens as collateral for loans and derivatives. So here's the choice. For your first tokenized stock trade, BingX. For European equity access, Robinhood. For institutional scale, Kraken X Stocks. For Solana native trading, Bakkt. For DeFi integration and regulatory clarity, Ondo. The market existed. The platforms are ready. The only question is whether you'll participate before the next 30 times happens. This is not financial advice. Tokenized securities carry real risks. If this opened your eyes, subscribe. Would you trade stocks on chain or stick with traditional brokers? Tell me why below.